First-person perspective, unlocking its strengths and overcoming limitations. Hello and welcome, future wordsmiths. In this video, we'll be delving into the wonderful world of first-person perspective writing. We'll specifically focus on understanding its strengths and limitations. And of course, we will also discuss how to use these traits to make your writing more dynamic, immersive, and enjoyable. First-person perspective, signified by the use of I or we in writing, allows you to delve deep into the mind of the narrator, who is usually the protagonist of the story. It offers a unique, personal viewpoint, allowing readers to experience the events and emotions of the story directly through the narrator's lens. The first-person perspective offers a host of benefits to your storytelling. 1. Immersion. The readers are placed directly into the shoes of the main character, experiencing their thoughts and emotions firsthand. This intimacy can create a deep sense of empathy and connection. 2. Authentic voice. The first-person perspective allows for a distinctive, personal voice, often helping to develop a strong character identity. 3. Unreliable narrator. The first-person perspective allows for an unreliable narrator, where the story you tell may be skewed by the narrator's perception, adding an intriguing layer of complexity. As with any writing perspective, the first-person viewpoint comes with some limitations. 1. Limited knowledge. The narrative is constrained by what the narrator knows, sees, or experiences. This can limit the amount of information available to the reader. 2. Potential for bias. Given the narrative's personal nature, there's a potential for bias as the story is filtered through the narrator's perspective. 3. Difficulty in character development. It can be a challenge to fully develop other characters since we're limited to the narrator's interpretations and interactions with them. Knowing these strengths and limitations is only the first step. The real magic happens when you learn to use these traits to improve your writing. 1. Play with reliability. If your narrator doesn't know everything, use this to your advantage to create suspense and intrigue. 2. Embrace the bias. Use the bias as a tool for revealing more about the narrator's character. 3. Use dialogues and actions. Develop other characters through dialogues and their actions, as observed and interpreted by the narrator. And there you have it, the strengths and limitations of the first-person perspective. Remember, every perspective has its strengths and limitations, and the key is to understand and use them effectively to enrich your creative writing. Keep practicing and you will unlock the immense potential of first-person perspective writing. Thank you for watching. Keep writing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep creating amazing stories. Happy writing!